a date.
Hey Dave, we're here at Loveless Cafe in Nashville, Tennessee. What do you think about the food?
I just don't understand why somebody wouldn't eat the meat off the bone. This part of the meat right here, that's the good stuff.
Now, why don't you like to eat the meat off the bone?
That's gross. No.
What about the biscuits?
Okay, so the biscuits come out hot on these little plates. You just bite into them. It's like a taste of heaven. And then you have these potatoes. Now they may look dry. They're awesome. This is, I don't even know if I'm supposed to be using my hands, but this food is so good.
Tell
Look
us
at all
about
this
the
chicken.
ham.
The
Tell
ham,
us about the ham.
to be honest, the ham, they said it's, what do they call it? Tough and salty. And it's true. This ham is really salty and tough. And it's really good, but it doesn't need to be this dry. It doesn't need to be, but the taste is great. So it's okay, I don't have a problem with it. But I'm curious as to why when they cook it, they don't make it